Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your device and FaceTime are up to date, because SharePlay requires recent software. Once updated, grant screen recording and microphone permissions in settings so the system can capture audio and video. During an active FaceTime call, tap the SharePlay or Screen Share control that initiates the connection and advertises your screen to others. This gets you into the session quickly. Now make sure the app or window you want to share is open before moving on. Once you've started sharing, choose exactly what to show: your entire screen, a single app window, or a browser tab that prevents accidental exposure. You can mute your mic or disable your camera if you want commentary off. Do this from call controls so audio doesn't leak. Pause notifications and close bandwidth-hungry apps to keep videos smooth. If someone needs control, use SharePlay's collaborative tools or hand off via the participant list. These steps maintain privacy and performance while you present. To finish, tap Stop Sharing in the FaceTime controls and then end the call or continue chatting. That cleanly halts the broadcast. If viewers report a black or frozen screen, make sure screen recording and screen share permissions are enabled for the app and that protected content isn't blocking output. If the issue continues, restart your device, update the OS, and sign out of FaceTime, then back in. That usually clears session or authentication glitches, so SharePlay works reliably next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.